In our last video, we saw how to create the master rod for our assembly. In this video, we are going to create the other part called articulated rod, and this part is very simple. As you can see, I guess there is no need of video for this, but as this is the part of our series, I will create a video for this part too. So let's start with the model from the top plane. As we see, this region is of the top view of our part. So we'll be creating these two rings. So let's go and start sketching on the top plane. Dimensions of these rings are 24, 15, 35, 24. 24, 15, 35, 24. Distance between the center of these two rings is 178. So let's make the centers align with the origin in horizontal fashion and then add the distance. So we would like to keep these rings symmetrical about our origin, that is right plane. So let's create a center line about which these two circles are symmetric. Okay, the problem is that you cannot select the circles, we can select the center circle. Extrusion length is 28 for the smaller ring and 42 for the larger one. Starting the extrusion command, and select this one. About midplane, put on the value. I expand this first extrusion so that we can select the sketch. Start extrusion. In selected contours, we'll clear this selection and select only this contour, which will be extruded by 42 units and is symmetrical about its sketch plane. So select the option midplane and click OK to finish the extrusion operation. Now we can select the top plane. Then select these two edges, circular edges out of the ring and click on convert entity. Then I will create these lines. They'll be connecting and also they will be symmetrical. Say that they are equal in length and then add the distance between them, or you can add symmetricity between them along this line, either of it. Width of this connecting rod is 18 units. Then you can trim the unrequired part, or if you leave it as it is, you will have to select the specific contour to extrude that much part. Finish the sketch and extrude it by a distance of 18 units. Select the sketch, extrude, and choose the option mid-plane. We'll fit the value 18 units and finish. There you go. The fillet value is 24 on all of these regions. Then we'll be cutting this part with the slot. Length is 130 and is at a distance of 27 units from the center. So let's just add the fillet first. Fillet of 24. It is not a multiple radius fillet, that means the radius is not changing anywhere. Select this face, start the sketch, create the straight slot. We put on the value. The length of the slot is 130. Then the center is at a distance of 27 from the center. Let's just cross check we are getting it from the correct end. Okay, it should not be from this end. This end is 27. Radius of this arc is 5, or we can say the width of this slot is 10 units. The sketch is fully constrained. Now we have to leave the gap of 5 units. Use extruded cut operation. 18 minus 5, that is 13. Divide by 2 because we are putting the cut on only one side of this geometry. Then as the feature is already selected, I will use mirror command. Click on over here and select top plane from our model tree and click OK. Finish the part. Save this part as articulated rod. We'll add the material as earlier. We'll add the information into this file properties. Go to custom properties. Okay. We'll hit on save button to update the information. So this is how you will create this articulated rod. In next video we will be seeing how to create the piston of our assembly. So until then, see you, bye bye, and study hard.